Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will discuss about SciPy integrate. Okay, so sometimes a function is very complicated to integrate or cannot be integrated analytically. Okay, so then it is solved by the numerical integration method or something else. So SciPy provides some routines for performing numerical integrations. The SciPy integrate library, that's the SciPy dot integrate. This library contains most of these functions. So these functions can be single integrals or multiple integrals. So numerical integrate is sometimes called quadrature. Okay, so that's the quad function is essentially for SciPy's integration functions. So the syntax will be quad QUAD this. Okay, so I just mark down this shell and let's go for the code for implement the single integrals. So you need to import a library, import SciPy dot integrate. Then you need to import NumPy. So from NumPy import exp. Exp means exponential. So now I just define f equal lambda x exp minus x 2. Okay, now I define I equal SciPy. I just integrate these functions. So SciPy dot integrate dot quad f01. Okay, and I will print I. Just need to indentation in resolve. Okay, now I execute this shell and let's say output. Okay, LNP. Okay, and that's the output of SciPy integrate, which is used by SciPy.integrate.quad. Okay, so that's how you can use it. And in this program we have used quad function that returns two values. Okay, returns here, you can see it returns the two values. The first value is the integral, that's the integral, and the second value is estimate of the absolute error. Okay, just remind that's the integral and its integrate estimate the absolute error in the value of this integral. Okay, so that's how you can use it. Thank you everyone, see you in next tutorial.